Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a solid which consists of a pyramid and a cuboid. ABCD is a square. Do take note though as I zoom in. Very importantly, the height is this length here at the side, It is not at the center. So, because of that, right, I'm going to later on redraw the net of this pyramid later on when we do part B, total surface area. Okay? But for part A though, the volume of this solid then will be equals to the pyramid at the top and the cuboid at the bottom. Okay, so to find the volume of the whole solid, there are two parts and we add them up later on. Cuboid is relatively straightforward. It is base area times height, which is 8 times 8. The base area times height of this cuboid, 12. Yeah. Now, for the pyramid is 1/3. Base area is also 8 times 8. The height though is given as 6. And I just need to use my calculator. This will give me 896 cm cube. Done. For the total surface area though, it is time for us to look at the net of this particular pyramid, this square pyramid, which I'm going to redraw here, okay? I would have the square base, which is 8 times 8. I would also have, notice, this will be my face behind here, because this is the height. So this is where the 90 degree is. This is 6. This is still 8. And this is also my 6 and my 8. Also 90 degree, because that is the point where we have our height. For the next two triangle though, do notice that this particular triangle, this green color triangle here, you must be able to see that it is actually a right angle triangle. Okay? And the right angle triangle here, this particular thing, and this particular triangle here is going to connect, and it is actually a right angle triangle here. Okay? And later on, then we will have to find this green color length. Okay, although we could find it now because this green color line is simply the square root of 8 square plus applying Pythagoras theorem is actually the square root of 6 square plus 8 square, the square root, which gives us 10. So now I know this is also 10. And the VBC, this triangle here also, is actually also a right angle triangle with this length equal to this length. And actually, if you realize, because it is the same triangle with sides 6 and 8, this one will also be 10 same as this, working. Here will also be 10. And with this, I will be able to find the surface area of the pyramid. Okay? And the surface area only includes the 2 red color triangle, the green color triangle, and the purple color triangle. So this one, I will then now make a cut. And then I will shift it. Let me just do a quick shift over to my part B. So that is neater, yeah? Okay, let's start. So this will be for my pyramid. As for my cuboid, there will be 4 rectangles of 8 by 12. There's also a square base of 8 by 8. And therefore, for this whole triangle, you will then see the total surface area of the solid will include 4 rectangles of 8 by 12, the base 8 by 8. This will give me a value of 448. As for the pyramid, I do not need to consider the square base because that square base is actually considered at the bottom of this solid. So this pyramid for the surface, for the pyramid, I only need to consider 2 triangles of 6 by 8, height times base, plus the purple triangle, half times 8 times 10, plus the green color triangle, which is also half times 8 times 10, and this gives me a value of 128 cm square. So therefore the total surface area will be equals to 448 plus 128 to give me a final answer of 576. And with that, we have come to the end of this particular question. Do notice what Mr. Tan do when he solve for all these problems. I usually like to see them, all the surface separately. Then I think about which surface I need to consider in order to get the total surface area of the solid itself. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.